now let's set this. Oh, the other reason why I'm changing this, because this upgrade of modification has been long overdue on the S4, and finally today I'm catching up to the rest of the V8 gang, and I'm excited because inside this box I have something to upgrade the face of the S4. So let me show you what I have. It's quite a big box, this. Something here. So I have something. And okay, get it out of here. Finally have the RS4 Grille for the S4, and today I'm going to install it and see how the car is going to look with this upgrade. And I also went ahead and got these little fork grills for the S4. I think this one, yeah, this one's for this side. So I got 2 of these. So let's install everything onto the car and then see how it looks after that. I think this has been long overdue. So for that to happen, I need to remove the bumper, and I'm not going to show you all of that. I've done it a couple of times, and there are a lot of videos as well online showing how to remove the front bumper on this car. I'm going to go straight to it and change the grills and then put it back on the car and then see how it looks. The front bumper is off the car, and I have the following parts to refresh so that they look nice behind the RS4 Grille. So this plastic thing sits here, and I'm just gonna throw a black paint on it. I did paint it before, but I'm gonna do it again. And I also have this air vent direction duct thingy. So I'm gonna paint it black as well, and then put in some gloss on it because I painted it before, but because of the sun and all the conditions, it's faded. And it directs all the air into this intercooler for the supercharger. So I think I'm gonna paint it black again, and hopefully maybe put in a bit of gloss just to keep it black. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that has been decided on. And this, now the crash bar, I need to decide whether to paint it, spray paint it black. I've got my spray paint, Rust-Oleum. So I can use this little wrap. So I've had this, it was left from when I was doing all the interior panels. It's a wrap skin or wrap vinyl. I think I'm going to use this wrap. Reason being, I don't want to remove the bumper again to respray the crash bar because of stone chips and rocks. Obviously that paint will come off over time, but with this I know it's not going to come off, then it's going to stay strong, at least I hope. So I'm going to do that so that at least I don't have to paint it. Let me clean this and then wrap it, and then hopefully it's going to look nice. Okay, I think it looks nice. Yeah, I think it looks nice. I won't have to deal with all the stone chips hitting the crash bar, then I have to repaint it. I think this is good. Just need to punch those holes here and here and here. I think that looks nice. Yeah, so sitting behind the grille, it's definitely gonna look nice. You won't see whether it's black or it's gray or what with that carbon fiber looking skin. Here's our front bumper. I need to do 2 things now to finish the job. So I need to remove the T25 screws behind here and then swap out the old grille with the new one, and then fit in the fork grills as well while I'm at it. Then we'll be ready to put this back on the car. So let me do that now. Okay, so the old grill is out. I'm gonna get my number plate. The other reason why I'm changing it is because these clips are broken and I'm not sure how, but for some reason it needed to be replaced. Here's our new grill. Let's fit it in and then see how it actually sits here. And here we are, our bumper is completely done. Now I need to put it back on the car, then I can assemble everything and then see how it looks on the car. Already I can see that it's going to make a huge difference. I like it. I must say the car looks really nice with this honeycomb grille. It really brings out that front end, and with no plate and no S4 badge, it actually makes it more cleaner. I'm happy with how it came out. I'm happy with the results really. I know I'm late to the party, but better late than never. So I have finally upgraded the front end of the S4, including these fog light grills as well. I think these are a must when you do this conversion or this upgrade. For me personally, I think it really works. I love it. Finally, the S4 has been upgraded and facelifted, well, so to say, upgraded the front end, but I love it. Really looks nice. The overall look and the combination of colors from silver with black, I think it really works for this car. Hence, I didn't get the one with silver badges or silver trim. I think this is a nice combination with my headlights and everything else. It really works. The S4 just got a nose job and the procedure went well. Here are the results. They speak for themselves. Everything looks much better than before, and I love the combination of colors between silver and black and my headlights and everything else. It really completes the front end. It really looks nice. With all that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because there's some stuff coming up on the S4 and you don't want to miss that. Click on the bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video, and I'll catch you next time.